Artificial intelligence is the practice of teaching machines to recognize patterns, learn from data, and assist our everyday decisions. It runs by training on examples, finding rules, and then predicting outcomes or guiding actions in real time. A practical example is a voice assistant that understands speech, suggests replies, and automates routines without user effort. Recent trends lean toward edge AI, privacy-friendly models, and generative tools that draft text, images, or code. In daily life, you will notice faster searches, smarter reminders, and safer homes that adapt to your routine.